If you have kids or grandkids, you're probably always looking for some kind of little treat for birthday parties. This is a unique idea, and it's not sugar-free, but at least it's a half of a step in the right direction. It's a helping of fruit in a chocolate dip ice cream cone. I have pineapple, grapes, strawberries, blueberries, apple, and banana, and yogurt. So you can use it whatever fruit your kids like, and you might even put them in bowls and let them make their own. I'm going to use a little bit of banana, some strawberries, a little dollop of yogurt, some blueberries, and then maybe some more strawberries. This is just a plain old chocolate dip ice cream cone, and then you can top it with a little whipped cream. There you go. Or you can go hog wild and put a lot of whipped cream. Or you can do what our grandkids like to do. You might also want to include a bamboo skewer, because these are a little bit slippery and you can kind of get it out of the cone a little easier if you have that.